A bit of a backstory on how I ended up getting this thing. So, yeah, what we have here is an Asus laptop. I'm not sure what the actual model is. On the back here, on the bottom here, it says model F556U. Asus Tech Computer Inc. Now it says 2016, October of 2016, so, well, probably is a Windows 10 computer. And, well, yeah, how I got this thing was because, well,
Lord!
Yeah, well, let's open it up here. And, yeah, on the inside, actually, first, probably shouldn't, wait, I'll wait a second. It has a disk drive here, as well as a SD card slot, a headphone jack, USB, on that side, but on this side, we have more USB. We have a VGA, the charging port, another USB, USB-C, and a Kensington security lock. So, yeah, fairly standard for 2016 or so. But yeah, now on the inside, it doesn't state anything about what model it is. It says a Sonic Master, which is probably a audio thingy. And yeah, it's, so, yeah, I'm going to plug this in. I'm not sure if the battery holds a charge. But, well, I don't think the cable fits that far, so, well, gonna hope that this has enough battery to, yeah. And it's got Linux. Oh, wait a minute, I think I know what this is. Is this? I think I know what this is, actually. It is! It's, the, SSD that contains my, I'm pretty sure SSD has been this stuff, so, yeah, in terms of a battery, 14%. And it doesn't run the fastest, so let's go to MS Info 32 here. I want to see what processor this is, because, like, because I don't think, because given it's from late 2016, I'm not sure how well our luck is going to be. It's a 7th gen Intel Core i7, and it's got 16 gigabytes of RAM, not bad. And yeah, this is very laggy. We have MSI tools on here, but like that doesn't really matter too much because like I'm probably just gonna So yeah, apart from the fact that this is one of those Windows 10 computers that I probably can't put Windows 7 on. Here we go. Hurry up! The battery is at 12% remaining. It's very low, but in this PC, so it's got like 217 or so gigabytes. I mean, that's actually kind of expected because this has Linux on it, but yeah. So, yeah, let me do my research here. After this shuts down. Yeah, so, looking at the official website, only a small handful of 7th gen Intel processors actually support Windows 7. Now, I'm pretty sure that you could probably hack Windows 7 onto a 7th gen. So, yeah. And this also applies with Windows 8.1. So, yeah, it's one of those Windows 10 computers. For reference, I have a computer, similar scenario. Leave this aside for now. There's also, this Dell Inspiron 3252 that I haven't really shown a lot often because I don't really have many reasons to make videos about it. Now, what I just realized is these things may make for, who knows how the performance is going to be if I do like a Hackintosh or a Ubuntu system from the era or something. So there's always that. I mean, if I want to get my hands on a Windows 7 laptop like a daily drive, I mean, not too hard. I mean, hey, I could possibly even just figure out if, hey, I could even just try to like, I don't know, do something or just boot off of, make SteelOS completely a full operating system, develop drivers and make it bootable, and then use it as a SteelOS computer. Well, no, because nobody develops for SteelOS API. Anyway, brief personal shameless plug there out of the way. Yeah. And, I'm gonna have to probably install a new operating system on this. I mean, wait a minute. I think I actually have an idea. So, there's actually an operating system that actually kind of interests me that you've probably heard about. And if you actually check out the channels I recommend to you, if you'd probably be familiar with Action Retro, he's been making a lot of videos about Haiku, which, maybe I'll use Haiku on this thing. May not be a bad idea. Because, that's pretty much a modern, I guess, operating system that you can use, that definitely supports 7th gen Intel, so yeah, maybe I'll try that. I mean, I'm not gonna do anything with this laptop here today, because this is a video I'm making on the fly, and this is also my personal laptop, although generally speaking, all my main stuff that I do is either, because I should mention here that all my school stuff is all my school and non-content creation stuff is usually in web-based applications or web apps, while all my content creation is done on a Windows 10 machine that actually is quite powerful and runs Windows 10 quite well. I say this because it's at least operates more efficiently than than Windows 11, though that may have to do with the fact that I uninstalled Windows 11 from that computer because I thought it wasn't working anymore. I could have just updated the video driver, but well, hey, that was when I discovered I was having problems with the Windows 10 install for the first time, and yeah, that's a graphics driver problem, and I could have completely avoided a Windows 10 install on a computer, but well, hey, it's Windows 10. It's at least better, and well, I probably made the right decision, because, well, Windows 11 is quite AI bloated. It's already bloated in the first place. But anyway, yeah, so, I'm not actually sure what model this is. Probably has to be what it says on the bottom, whatever that string of text is, but yeah, so that's that mystery Asus laptop that I just got today. And with that, thanks for watching. I will see you next week. Bye!